You know what's a good way to tell you're getting old? Removing a lightweight stainless catback because you're tired of how loud your supercharged M3 is. So, yep, we went back to stock. I got this off of a customer car. He went to a louder exhaust, and he just wanted to throw this thing away. I was like, well, you know, I don't drive my car a lot. Yeah, as you can see, it needs a lot of work. I still haven't fixed the rear end damage. This weather stripping and this weather stripping need to go. The store panel needs to be fixed again. The seats need to be recovered. I mean, it's kind of just been rotting because I don't drive it, so I don't really see it every day. I don't really think about it very much. And honestly, I think I'm going to drive it a lot more now. Honestly, this probably isn't going to stay this way forever because I already have 2 boring dailies that are quiet and have automatic transmissions. We got the S8 and the X5. So, and obviously this thing's going to be straight piped, so I don't know. Every once in a while you do still want a rowdy loud car.